Hi everyone, I hope you are well. This is just the video to accompany you to do this assignment. We are going to open the PDF named Creating a New Document, and then we're going to follow the instructions to submit 2 documents for this assignment. So let's open Creating a New Document, the PDF. So I just right click and say open link in new tab, and now I've opened it. So we are going to make a new document, and it's a bit of revision of what we have done. So the first thing to do is load WordPad and start with a new document. So for me, I have this search bar over here, so I can just tap in any app that I want to find, so it's easy for me to find that. But some of you don't have that search bar thing there, so I'm just going to go here to all my apps, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see Windows Accessories, which is over here. So it's for W, so it's going to be at the end of the list, and you just go down until you find WordPad. Okay, so we have WordPad, and now we need to type the following text. This article is about importing fruits from Malaysia, and I don't want you guys to copy and paste this. I want you to type this, as part of the syllabus is giving you typing skills. So you actually do have to say this article, you have to retype that. And I would suggest that you left click here and you drag this and you pull it all the way to the right, and then you'll see it will take half of the page. And then this one staying over here, drag it all the way to the left, and now you can retype this. You can zoom in a bit if you want to have it right next to you over there. And now we can, while I'm reading over here with my eyes, my fingers are going to type everything that I'm seeing over here. But just for the video and time's sake, I am going to make as if I typed this. So this is what I had to retype. So what is the next instruction? So we just had to retype. Save the text as fruits and submit it in this assignment. Okay, so we need to save this as fruits. So make sure that you save it as a rich text format. You just click over here and you just make sure to say rich text format, RTF, and we should call this fruits. And then you just go to students, put it under here. So I'm just going to put it as fruits, and I'm going to say save. And just so that I don't forget, because some of us do forget to submit the assignments, so I will immediately go here and I say browse, and I go to my documents, I go to students, I go to Jean-Claude, and now I look for fruits. There is fruits over there, and I just say open, and it will load in there for my okay. But this is the assignment I have to make for you guys, so that's just what I want you to do over there. The next step is open the file imported fruits. So this file, imported fruits, I have attached to this document. So right click, open link in new tab. Okay, you'll see this. Don't say open with this, don't do that. I don't want this in Google Docs. I want you to continue using WordPad for this. So you download this, and as soon as it has downloaded, you can say, so see, it wants to open with Microsoft Word. So we just continue with WordPad. So I'm going to say file, I'm going to say open, and now I'm going to go to my downloads over here, and here is imported fruits. So I say open, and there we have it. So this is what we had to import. So open the file imported fruits. We have just done this. Copy the last paragraph and paste it below the paragraph that you have just typed. Okay, so let's copy this paragraph. So we first select everything. You can press cut or copy. It doesn't matter. We're not going to use this imported fruits anymore. And for me, I am just going to copy it. I'm going to minimize this WordPad, and I'm just going to open my WordPad that we created called fruits. So here it's open, and they said we should put this below the paragraph that you have just typed. So below means I'm going to have to press enter, and I'm going to have to say paste, or I can press the keyboard shortcut, which is Control+V, and now it's over there. And now I want you to follow these instructions. Make sure that you follow all these instructions that they want you to do, like change the first letter of A to capital letter A. So you can see over here, this needs to change to a capital A. So you can change that like you think it should be changed, and just make sure there are no other spelling mistakes. And because we're using WordPad, you see we don't have any squiggly lines underneath any of the words that are spelled incorrectly, like pineapples. This is spelled wrong. There are no squiggly lines. So you can either copy all of this, open Microsoft Word, paste it in here, and you'll immediately see we have all these errors. And then we can go to review, and then, oh sorry, we should go to, yeah, it is review, and just make sure that everything is as it should be. If you don't have Microsoft Word, then you are allowed to check your, where is my, you can open it in Google. Let's go over here. You can open it in Google Docs. You can also open Google Docs. So we can just say blank. So I still have it copied on the system. As soon as I paste this in, you can see we can change a few words by just right-clicking and then spelling and grammar check. And now we can just go through all of the words as needed. So just make sure that you do that. And let's say we are done now. So we changed everything that the instructions told us to change. Then we must do the last step where they say save your work as fruits1. Okay, so this I must save as. Make sure you're saving it as a rich text document. Make sure it's a rich text document, and we're just saving this as fruits1. By default, it should be in the folder that you saved the fruits in, and if it's not, just go to documents, go to your file name, and just save it there as fruits1, and just press save. And if you're done with that, just make sure to import your assignment. So you should have two, so we go to documents, you should have two assignments, two documents, fruits1 there. So you have fruits and you have fruits1. You can also put in both. If you keep control in your keyboard, you can choose how many of these you want to put in. But we want fruits and fruits1, so we're just going to import them, and as soon as you import them, then you just press hand in. Awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day.